Deferred evaluation with lambda in Python. In a loop, I am trying to defer the comparison the two-value s of two nodes to a later time. The results are all true, because j equals 2,5 for all the lambdas. How can I defer the execution of the lambda until it is actually called, but with the correct variable bindings? And the expressions in the lambda are not all necessarily equality. There are a bunch of other more involved expressions. Thanks for any help.
To bind the current values of I and j to the function instead of having it look in the outer scope, you can use either a closure or default argument values. The easiest way to do this is to use default argument values in your lambda. Here is how it would look as a closure.
Wrap it in another lambda. Or in a nicer way, with partial. Default arguments trick is, well, a trick, and I'd suggest to avoid it.
The idiomatic way is to use a default argument. Change this to
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.